Did you know that our taste buds are like tiny superheroes on our tongues? They help us enjoy all the yummy flavors in our food. We have about 10,000 taste buds, and each one can sense 5 main tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, which is a savory flavor. When you take a bite of something, the food releases tiny particles that travel to your taste buds. Sweet things like candy make us smile because they signal energy. Sour foods like lemons can make us pucker up, while salty snacks like chips are super tasty because they balance flavors. Bitter taste can be a little tricky. They often warn us about things that might be bad to eat. And umami? That's the deliciousness in foods like cheese and mushrooms. But here's a fun fact. Our sense of smell plays a big role in how we taste. When you have a cold and can't smell, food might taste bland. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember all the amazing work your taste buds are doing.